22, we got the new season. You take care of it. And night here you come. 22 on the Kakalaki. 22 on Gold to me once again. 22, I see you.
Hey, Gold Tooth Mule, I'm in Chicago. You're talking all over the world, man. Hey, Gold Tooth Mule, I appreciate it, man. You got that audio smoking signal going right down the middle of the road. Sounding so good in Chicago. Gold Tooth Mule, 22. I'm in Chicago. Got down.
Hey, 22. Hey, Uncle Lucy said, my Gold Tooth Mule kicked me in my left foot. He said, boys, he said, he in Chicago. He ain't no Carolina. Hey, 22. My Gold Tooth Mule kicked me in my left foot. He said, boss, he said, 22 in Chicago. I'm trying to put you on the Kakalaki. But good afternoon once again, 22. Take care around the Windy City. 22 on Gold Tooth Mule. Uncle Lucy, big man. 22, I see you.
I appreciate it. Hey, Gold Tooth Mule, man. You know, I don't even know where I'm at, so don't worry about it, man. I'm lost half the time. Hey, Gold Tooth Mule, man. I appreciate the cue, so I'm working this 6-pill, man. This is my baby driver. I'm working this 6-pill. I just built it. I want to make sure we're working, man. I'm just making sure this 6-pill is working. Gold Tooth Mule, 22, Illinois, and this baby driver got down.
Like he'd be the only one getting down. 22 on Chicago. One they call it Dr. Dulite. They both done one Dr. Dulite working this. Pull it back.
Bye, Gold Tooth Mule. Bye. Gold Tooth Mule, man. You take it easy, take care. I'm going to get out the middle of the road before they step on me. 22's Mobile, Chicago. Heard you, I'm back by.
And I heard you. Hey, 22 on Chicago.
It's a 6-pill. I'm trying to call it 6.
22 around Chicago, ain't nobody but Gold Tooth Mule, Uncle Lucy, 22. Oh, Gold Tooth Mule, big man, 22 around Chicago, I see you.
And I heard it all. 22 gone.